Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another favorite video of mine, and that is Fab Bag unboxing. So if you're interested in watching what all I got in November's Fab Bag, then please keep on watching. So before we start, I really want to apologize for my weird voice in this video because I have extreme cold and cough situation going on and I'm barely able to talk. But I will still try to finish this video and put this up to date itself so that you guys can have an idea regarding what we have in this month's Fabbag. So yeah, now that was all. So we'll start with the video now. So as usual, we have got the box like this and it says Fab Bag all over it, and here's my address and everything. So that's the bag for this month, and when we open we see a very nice and very classy clutch. So the bag this month looks something like this. It is very useful for Diwali because as we all know, the festivals are coming and we can totally try this as a clutch. Like, we can use this as a clutch. It has this solid thing over here also, so it is properly a clutch, like it's a proper clutch. But the only thing is that it has Fab Bag written over here. So if that is something that doesn't bother you, then you can totally use this as a clutch. Otherwise you can still use this as a pouch or a utility thing if you want to. Now once you open this, you see the cards as used. So we have the Highlight November Fab Bag. So this month's bag, we call it the Highlight November Fab Bag. Now the other card contains the detail of the contest they have every month, and it says in my Fab Bag contest, and you just have to if you want to participate in it, you just have to put up the picture with your Fab Bag to any of your social media, and you just have to tag in my Fab Bag and you are participated. And if you win this month's in my Fab Bag contest, then you win you get a chance to win Global Beauty Secrets shampoo and conditioner. Another one is face wash, which we have received in our previous bag, and I quite like those products. So yeah, if you really want to win this product, then you can totally try and participate. So that's the card, and now comes the info card, and I'm gonna show you how that looks like. So yeah, we're gonna go with the products now. So I see we have 1 2 3 4 and 5 products this time, from which we have 1 2 and 3. Okay, we have 3 full-size product and 2 of them are sample size. So I'm gonna start off with the sample size product, which is Dvence Tea Tree Body Wash. Now you get a chance, you get an option to choose which one you want. Like, they had different 4 option. I don't remember all of them. The one I remember was Multani Mitti lotion. You can choose that, or if you want to choose the heart-shaped soap, then you can also choose that. And then third option was this, and fourth, I don't really remember what exactly was the fourth option. So you get a choice to choose whatever product you want in this month's bag. So I went ahead and chose Tea Tree Body Wash because I really was very excited to see the ingredient. It has tea tree oil, it has eucalyptus oil, and it also has peppermint oil. It is sample size product and it retails for 149 rupees for 40 ml product. This is how the product looks like, and I don't think I will be able to smell anything right now because my smelling sense isn't working. Yeah, I can't smell a thing. So that's the first product in this one's bag. Now the second product I see here is from the brand called Bezier India Luxury Beauty Cherry Blossom Face Toner and Mist. This is 50 ml product and retails for 349 rupees. It is basically a face toner and a face mist. So you can just spritz it over your face whenever you feel like your skin is literally really dry or you need some refreshment. So you can totally use this spray. So that's how the bottle looks like. I think this is a new brand. I haven't really heard about this in past. Now this doesn't have any parabens, it's sulfate free, it doesn't have any GMO or petroleum oils or anything of that sort. Now the expiry date of this is after like 36 months before manufacturing date, and I don't think it has any specific ingredients like you see a rose toner or you see cucumber toner. It doesn't have anything like any signature ingredients in this, so I think it's just gonna work as a refresher for your face. And the only thing that concerns me is it has alcohol and a perfume, so I don't know how that will go. So the ingredient list and everything is mentioned over here. I will try and oh, I can smell. Oh, this must have the very strong fragrance. That's why I'm able to smell this even in my cold and cough situation. Yeah, I can smell this. Okay, it has really nice fragrance. I totally can use this as a body mist also. So yeah, that's the second product we got in November's Fab Bag. Now the third product I see here, and I was really excited for this one specifically, and it is Bioblush Cup of Coffee Clay Face Mask. I have not heard about this brand either, but this is something I'm really looking forward to put on my face. Now this retails for 185 rupees for 20 gram product, and this is how the product looks like. I don't think if it's in focus or not, but that's how the product looks like. It is a container like this, and it has all the detail at the back side of it. Now the best part about this product is the ingredients are mentioned, but they also have mentioned the percentage of the ingredients. It has like chocolate clay, it has bentonite clay, it also has Killoin clay. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that wrong or not. So that is how the product looks like, and it also says how to apply this. So you have to apply a generous layer of this mask and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, and then you can wash it off with warm water. And now I'm gonna show you how the product looks like. So this is the consistency. It is really thick, like it's not dropping at all. I'm really waiting, like I can't really wait to put this on my face. I'm sure this gonna work like wonder. And as used, we cannot smell anything. I'm so sorry guys, I'm sure it must smell something like coffee, because it's a coffee or chocolate, because it is coffee clay mask. I don't think I have ever heard about coffee clay mask. Like I have heard about coffee mask, I have heard about coffee scrubs, but I've never heard about coffee clay mask. So this is really a star product for me for this month's bag. So yeah, that's this third product. I'm trying to smell it, but I can't smell anything. Now the fourth product I see here is actually a lipstick, which is from Tinted Colorlife Non-Transfer lipstick, and it says it has added primer in it. Now this is what I'm wearing right now on my lips. The color is so good, like exactly my choice. If you don't know already, I love bold shades on my lips. And I'm gonna still give you the swatch, and that's how the swatch looks like on my hand, and this is how it looks on your lips. I'm wearing the same lipstick right now. Now this one retails for 290 rupees, and it is a full-size product. You get to choose the shade for your preference, like you can choose your shade, and I went ahead and chose M06 Brick Wine, because that's what my liking is. Like I like bold shade. I don't think they have nude colors. I remember they have like brown color, but I can't call it a nude brown. So yeah, you have different variety of shades to choose from, so you can go ahead and choose the shade you like. Now this doesn't have any ingredient list, so that's something like I really want to know what I am putting on my skin, so I need to know the ingredients, but sadly they don't have any ingredients over here. But I'll try to search online and see if this has any chemicals or anything. So yeah, that's the fourth product we have this month in this month's bag, and this is how the packaging and everything looks like. Now the last product, and the product which has my heart literally, is from the brand called Sugar as usual, and it is their Glow and Behold Jelly Highlighter, and I am in the shade 01 Gold, and this is how the outer packaging looks like. Again, you have choice to choose your color in this also, like they have 3 different shades. One was the gold, other one was around bronze color, and third one was peach color, if I'm not wrong. It was something around peach, so you can choose the shade you like. And the packaging looks, oh my god, I haven't seen like such cute packaging in any other product. Like literally this packaging has my heart, man. It looks so cute. You just have like, when you put this on your vanity, it's gonna look so cute, trust me. Now the product, when you open this, the product looks something like this. As I said, it is a jelly highlighter, and the only thing is I feel like product is little less, like it retails for 499 rupees, and it is only like 3-gram product, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it is only 3 gram, but the consistency and everything is so perfect. Like you put this beneath your makeup, like you apply this all over your face and then put your foundation, so you will have like that in within glow kind of situation going on. And if you want to use this as a highlighter, you can simply take the product and dab it on your skin, and it will work as a highlighter too. So yeah, I think this is a great product to have. I'm gonna give you a swatch because I always forget to do that. So I'm gonna take a little amount, and then we're gonna swatch this for you guys. So oh my god, look at the glow. Oh my god, this is such a beautiful shade. I think this will suit almost every Indian skin tone. I'm not sure if you can see that properly on the camera or not, but it is very beautiful goldeny color. I think I can also use this as my eyeshadow if I wish to, but I'm trying to put that on my cheekbone right now. I don't have a mirror, so I can't really tell if it is. Yes, oh my god, I love this highlighter a lot. Very good. So yeah, that was the last product in November, Fab Bag. You should totally try Fab Bag, and I am really happy that I took this decision and subscribe for 6 months. My subscription ends next month, so yeah, we'll see about that, and we'll see if I subscribe for further months or not. So yeah, that was all for today's video. If you want to see what all I have got in my previous bags, then you can just over here or here I would put my playlist where I have included all my Fab Bag unboxing over here. So you just tap on this and you will see all the Fab Bag reviews I have made till now. So yeah, that was all for today's video. Thank you so much for subscribing, and I'm really close to reach 900 subscribers. Please help me reach there, and I will be forever grateful. If you have already subscribed, then I am your biggest fan. Okay, thank you so much for subscribing and watching my videos. That means a lot to me. Now yeah, just subscribe to my channel, share this with your friends and family, like this video if you like my content, and wait for my next video. Until then, bye bye.